Priyanka Kakkar, do you think optics is just as important as strategy, because that's what your party is largely relying on? The Chief Minister of Delhi is campaigning in Gujarat. Of course, he's also the party convener. But most analysts believe that the votes will be drawn out of the Congress's kitty and not the BJP's. So are all these optics, so to speak, largely to gain from the Congress and not give a challenge to the BJP?
Good evening, Maha. Congress is absolutely obsolete as a party now. When we talk about Gujarat, Maha, in the past 4 years, 20 of their MLAs from Congress have migrated to the BJP. In the past 15 years, 77 of them MLAs in Gujarat have shifted to the BJP. It is not the same Congress that it was in 2017. It's a very different Congress this time. Then again, 277 seats Congress did not even contest during the municipal elections and gave a clean walkover to the BJP. During this year, you pick up any assembly session in Gujarat, Congress has walked out of all of them and did not take up even a single people's issue. Even now, if you look at the worst case of corruption that is visible to the naked eye, that is in the form of Morbi in Gujarat, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi ji not only has he completely bahishkar kar diya Gujarat ka, but he's also not even sought the resignation of the CM over Morbi. He has not even sought the arrest of the company which is not named in the FIR, arrest of the company's MD which is not named in the FIR. So they have completely given up on Gujarat. They are not looking at Gujarat. Aam Aadmi Party is the only contender, and we are.
So are you suggesting, Priyanka Kakkar, that without being largely in the opposition, the Aam Aadmi Party at present is playing the role of the opposition by asking those questions, and that will augur well for the party? Is that what you're suggesting?
Maha, I'm suggesting that at this time, Aam Aadmi Party is leading Gujarat, both in terms of vote share, both in terms of seat share, both ahead of BJP and both ahead of Congress. That is what I'm saying.
Okay.